Do you recognize that?
I do. I was telling my mother a while ago in the nursing home about it, and I showed her a picture of it, and I couldn't believe it. 50 years ago.
Almost to the day.
God, they got my matches in there, like I needed matches.
Okay, that looks like a weekly meal ticket from Nettleton High School. And it's
76.
dated February the 3rd of 1976, and it's got your name on it.
Golly bone.
You can still get you something to eat on that.
I wonder if I could take it up there and get something.
You think that? Huh? Is that amazing?
It is amazing. I couldn't believe
And
it.
that's your, were you in the band or did you just buy a band
I
chocolate?
guess I just bought that band chocolate for $1.
Nettleton High School Tiger Band.
Uh-oh, got girl pictures in here.
Uh-oh, is that what that?
My little nephew.
Okay.
My goodness. Some friends that's passed away.
Oh, me.
Man. How about that? That just blows my
Do
mind.
you recognize most of those people?
I do. Every one of them I was in the school with. My address, Tom Riley. That's amazing. 50 years ago.